Hi kiddos, welcome to the Drawing Express. I hope you all celebrated Lord Rama's birthday is really nice. So I'm super excited to draw Lord Rama with you today. Yes, are you all ready for the challenge? So let's get started. Take a paper and pencils out. Let me make this shape right there. Okay? Yes. So make two hills like that. Okay? Two small hills the size of your two little fingers. Okay? And then take your hands out. Okay? Next, we do the ears. Okay? Easy. Then we do a small curve right in front of the ears. Okay? Easy. Yes. And we're going to join this straight down. Can you see that? And then from here to here. Yes. All done. After this, we're going to draw Lord Rama's hair. Yes. So for that, I hope you all can see me. I'm trying to draw it as dark as possible. So we're going to start right in this corner and we're going to try to join them together like this. Okay? It's okay if it isn't perfect. It's okay if it isn't perfect. Then put a shape like that and he's having a bun in the top. Okay? Yes. So once you're done with that, we got to do the eyes. Yes. So for the eyes, I'm going to draw a shape like this. And then the same thing I'm going to copy in this side. Yes. Did you all do that? Next, I'm going to bring this up like this. The same thing, I'm going to do it over this side. Okay? And then that side and then this side. Okay? Yes, did you all do that? Make sure both your eyes are in the same size. If it's not, you can always adjust. That's why we use a pencil. Put a small round in both the eyes. Okay? And then we're going to color around. Yes. And we're going to color around even here. All done. If you need help, you can always pause the video, make your corrections, and then get started again. Okay? So the next thing is going to be the eyebrows. Yes? And this eyebrows too. All done? Yes? And then we have the Nama in the middle. All done? Next is going to be the nose. And next, the mouth. Yes? You can always pause the video and correct your mistakes and come back. Okay, friends. So the next part is going to be the neck. Make a C shape for the neck. And then the next part is going to be, I hope you all can see me. Okay, so let me press a little more darker and draw it again. Okay, so the next thing is going to be the body. Okay, so now you have to see the paper availability. So let's get started doing the body. Okay, you're going to put a shape. You're just going to bring this side, bring this side, both in the same length. Yes, and after that, yes, what you're going to do now, you're going to bring this down like that. Okay, after that, you're going to bring this like this. Okay, and now the next thing is going to be the tummy line. Okay, the next thing is going to be the body length. So roughly draw a shape so you will know, like, till first imagine like till where you're going to draw the body. Okay, so assume I'm going to draw it till here. Okay, yes, and then go with frills. Yes, and now this side you're going to follow the same thing. Yes, one more and one more. Okay, yes, and the center thing is going to be, it's all tied up together, so you could make a shape like that. And like that, bring one more down like that, like L shapes. Can you see the shape L? So I'm making L's here. For designing his dress, I'm going to make L's. All done. Could extend this a bit. Yes. Now this part of the body is done. And the next part is going to be the hands. So make sure your hands are proportionate to the body. Yes. And here I'm going to do simple hands today. Make a shape like that. And put Lord Rama's thumb this side. And then you can bend the fingers. Okay, yeah, and now this part. Yeah, yes, extend it, make a shape like that. Okay, and bend the fingers inside. Okay, and now we are going to draw the Dhanush. Okay, so how to do the Dhanush? So you can decide the angle which you want the Dhanush to be. Yes, and you're going to cut the Dhanush like that. Okay, the next thing is going to be the shape of the Dhanush like that. Okay, and this side it's going to be the same thing. Okay, you're going to finish this. All done. So we're almost nearing. So if you think there is any mistake, you can always adjust. Yes, we can be perfect in our drawings in the first time, so it's okay to adjust. Yes. So let me erase this bit which okay. And now he's wearing the quiver behind him. So you all know what is a quiver. So it's where Lord Ram stores his arrows. So this is going to come like that, and that's going to be his tummy right there. Okay, and we'll attach one more thing like this over here, and let's bring the quiver down till here. Okay, so now the hair part. Okay, because of this bun he's not looking perfect still, so let's do the hair. That looks like Lord Rama then. Yes. And if you feel that Lord Rama is a bit more chubby, you could always adjust the face a little bit more like that. Yes. So then you can get the required size. Okay. Yes. So now Lord Rama. Yes. So we did the quiver, right? So let's put some arrows. Like the arrows are placed inside the quiver behind Lord Rama. Okay. So we're going to place a couple of arrows behind. Yes. So that part is done. So it's all done. So let me fast forward the video. Okay. And color Lord Rama.